So today we're going to do an O-wing lab. So this kind of goes off of our airplanes that we did last week. So O-wings are little pieces of paper that you turn into circles and you tape them to some straws. And they do fly or glide. And so you need to make a set of them today that determines the size here. So 25 centimeters wide for all of the large ones, and then there's varying sizes in the back. So you have a data table here. Try to measure how far you can get your O-wing to fly, and then average it out at the end. Let me know what you observed about the different sizes and how they might fly better or not fly better, and why. And you can overlap that into your conclusion and tell me anything that you might change to make it better. Now, the fuselage length is the straws, and so you can determine how long to make it. So the original experiment is 1 straw long. If you want to cut that in half, you can try to do that. Just make sure you measure it here. And if you want to add to it, double them up, that's fine. You can go anywhere in between, or even longer if you want, and then determine the distance, and then make your observations for how the length of the fuselage affects the flight of your O-wings. And then go ahead and submit that when you're done. Have a fantastic day.